Hi, today we are going to discuss about three important secrets of breathwork. Now, what can a breathing class make really to a woman's life? Now, are we doing it for only for physical health or it is for something else? Now, this is a very broader concept of which is not only going to cure your physical ailments, right from acidity, heart burning sensations, PCOD, irregular menstruation, hormonal imbalances to some of the drastic psychosomatic problems like overthinking, burnout, depression, grief, lot of grief, worry, and all those related stuff. So ultimately, it's actually going to increase your energy level, making you more happier and stress free. At the same time, what will eventually happen is you will become more productive. Yes, so this is what is the ultimate objective of this breathwork session that we are holding on. Now, it is one of the major important agenda behind this is the constant overthinking or the chattering voices of your inner mindset or the monkey mindset is going to get reduced, and eventually it will go away, making you more focused towards your goal. So that's the objective of this breath healing session. Now, today we are going to discuss about the three major secrets of breath work. What is that is? First one is the deeper the breath, higher the benefit. Most of the time we are supposed to breathe 25,000 times a day. We do breathing, but what we breathe is the normal. It's a very involuntary action that's happening, but nobody was aware of this, and it is just happening. So most of the time it seems to be a shallow breathing, whereas if we start the deep breathing concept, higher the benefit, and unconsciously we are just going to cure certain diseases which we have been carrying for almost 14 generations, which is called as the trauma or the ancestral trauma, which can be cleansed through breath work. So it is the deeper the inhale, the more you engulf so much air inside you, and that's where the secret is magic is going to happen. So deeper the breath, higher the benefit. Second important secret, you might even think bad about telling it because it's that shut your mouth, grow your life. The more you shut your mouth, the more you close your mouth, that's where the secret is. Because mouth breathing, many people have unconsciously learned this problem of mouth breathing, maybe because there is too much of cold in your chest or in your head. Maybe those were some of the breathing problems where you were not able to breathe properly. So unconsciously we have developed the habit of mouth breathing. So mouth breathing is a concept which is very very bad, and we have to switch from mouth breathing to nasal breathing. So shut your mouth and higher the grow your life. That's again a very huge concept which we'll be discussing in the webinar. And the third important thing is close your eyes during the breath work, because it's like, ma'am, can we sit and do, can we lie down and do, can we do it on a recliner, can we do it on a sofa, can we lie down, can we do it on a yoga mat, anything is okay. I would preferably suggest lie down flat, so that higher the benefit is what I am able to feel it, I'm able to enjoy it more when we are able to lie flat on the bed. And higher the breath engulf so much of air, and that's where the secret is. And more importantly, close your eyes, because already there is a lot of chattering noises and voices that keep disturbing. When we open our eyes, that's again something or the other keeps on disturbing. So close your eyes, become more connected. Do not think about Agyana Chakra, third eye contact, and all that. As of now, just close your eyes and lie down flat and just breathe. Yes, so these are the three important secrets, many more to come. Click on the link below and do join the WhatsApp group if you haven't joined it. Send it across to all your friends, relatives, all ladies, and welcome them for this free webinar. This is a movement in India. Bye bye.